In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Base44 to make money. Let's dive in and explore how you can transform your ideas into profitable ventures using this powerful platform. First, you'll want to start by building your app or website. Head over to base44.com and log into your account. Once you're in, find the option to create a new app. You have the flexibility here to use AI prompts or choose from a range of templates helping you quickly bring your app, website, or SaaS product to life. Some popular ideas you might consider include creating an online store, a SaaS tool for project management or content generation, or even setting up a portfolio or marketplace. Each of these options opens up different revenue potential, allowing you to tailor your approach based on your strengths and interests. Next, it's time to think about monetization. One effective strategy is to sell subscriptions or memberships. With Base44's integration with Stripe, you can easily set pricing tiers like free, pro, and premium. This allows you to cater to different audiences while maximizing your offering's value. You can even restrict certain features based on the user's subscription plan by employing workflows and logic built into the platform. If subscriptions aren't your cup of tea, explore one-time purchase options by offering digital products like downloads, ebooks, templates, or reports. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. Adding affiliate links or ads to your Base44 project can be a smart way of generating passive income. As you establish your product, consider offering services to expand your reach. Building apps for clients or local businesses using Base44 can be a lucrative way to apply your skills. Charge for initial setup, personalized customizations, or even ongoing maintenance. Not only does this strategy diversify your income streams, but it also solidifies your expertise within the industry. Once your product or service is ready, promotion becomes key. Share your app or website link across social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. Getting involved in relevant forums and groups like Reddit and Discord can also be beneficial. To gain an initial user base, consider running small ads on Google or Meta. Gathering testimonials and reviews at this stage will help build your credibility and attract more users. Finally, focus on scaling your revenue. Pay close attention to user feedback and add more features to your app that will enhance the user experience. Expand your offerings by introducing additional premium tiers or services. Broaden your marketing channels by incorporating email newsletters, creating YouTube tutorials, or partnering with influencers. Each effort you make broadens your reach and potential for success. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage Base44 to create a profitable business while continuously growing your audience and enhancing your offerings. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success on this exciting journey.